ChatGPT-4, developed by OpenAI, is the most advanced version of the Generative Pre-trained Transformer System, GPT, and is set to be released in 2023. This AI-powered technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate, as it can generate human-like text and engage in conversations with people. It has various capabilities such as text answering, content generation, language translation, and text summarization, similar to ChatGPT-3, but with increased accuracy and speed. One of the significant impacts of ChatGPT-4 is the effect it might have on Google's search business, as it can generate business strategies, gift ideas, blog topics, and vacation ideas. Additionally, it could lead to a significant reduction in costs, with half a cent for about 700 words of output. The increase of parameters in ChatGPT-4 might also lead to a shift in the economy, with more companies using AI-driven technologies like ChatGPT-4 to keep up with the changing business landscape. ChatGPT-4, developed by OpenAI, will have a range of capabilities, including answering texts, generating content, translating languages, and summarizing texts. This latest version will be faster and more accurate than its predecessors. The release of ChatGPT and other AI-powered chatbots has had a significant impact on Google's search business, as people are less likely to click advertising links if their queries are answered by chatbots. In response to this, Google has assigned employees to create AI products that can create art. The cost of using AI technologies like ChatGPT-4 is expected to decrease significantly, with prices potentially dropping to a fraction of a penny per 700 words of output. ChatGPT-4 can explain concepts in clear, simple sentences and even generate business strategies, gift ideas, blog topics, and vacation ideas from scratch, which could have significant implications for various industries. The increase in parameters in ChatGPT-4, which measures the complexity of the neural machine, is expected to have a substantial impact on the economy. These AI-enabled technologies are likely to become more prevalent as companies try to keep up with the rapidly changing business landscape. The upcoming release of ChatGPT-4, the latest and most advanced artificial intelligence system from OpenAI, has the potential to transform the way we communicate. With the expected increase in parameters to 1 trillion, ChatGPT-4 will be able to generate human-like text at a much faster rate, enabling more natural and accurate communication. This technology could significantly impact the economy, including search engine advertising, as chatbots like ChatGPT-4 can provide information in clear and understandable sentences, reducing the likelihood of people clicking on ads. Furthermore, Google employees are exploring ways to use ChatGPT-4, such as generating artwork and images. The cost of output could also decrease with the introduction of ChatGPT-4. Overall, ChatGPT-4 is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize communication in various industries that rely on artificial intelligence. The most significant effect of ChatGPT-4 on communication could be on Google's search business, according to the New York Times. The management at Google reportedly declared a code red in response to the release of ChatGPT, which could become the next major disruptor in the industry due to its clear and simplified presentation. Unlike search results that simply list links, ChatGPT is capable of explaining complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand, and it can even generate ideas for businesses, gifts, blogs, and vacations. The increase in parameters in ChatGPT-4, which measures the neural machine's complexity to perform useful tasks, is highly anticipated. Although the full extent of ChatGPT-4's capabilities is still unknown, the current features suggest that it will significantly change the way people communicate and interact with each other. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.